Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your SONOS One SL speaker. Okay, so first of all we have to remove this power cable from the speaker, from this part, or for example from the power supply. Actually, I'm gonna do this the second method, because to remove this it's really hard. So let me just remove this cable. There we go. After a few seconds the lights will turn off, and right now we have to find the button that is located on the back of the speaker, this one, and right now we have to click and hold it. Yeah, just click and hold it right now and plug it back. And after you plug it back, you have to still keep holding this button until this indicator turns orange. And also, as you can see, I'm connected right now with the speaker and my phone, but it will also clear all saved accounts from the application. So keep holding this back button and be patient. As you can see right now, we are just disconnected. There we go, it is blinking orange. So keep holding for a few seconds, and right now I release this button, and now just be patient one more time and wait until this indicator turns green. And as you can see right now, we performed the hard reset of the SONOS One SL speaker, and right now it's like the brand new product, like you take it for the first of the box. So for example, if you get it from the second hand and you cannot use some features of the application because there was old account set up right here, you can just perform this reset. Or for example, when your speaker is not working properly, like you have some kind of the connection issues. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.